Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize estate planning documents with trust and will full guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Trust and Will website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the estate planning section. Select the type of document you need to create. Choose between a will, trust, or another estate planning document. Follow the prompts to enter all necessary information regarding your estate. Provide details about your beneficiaries and assets. Make sure to specify your wishes clearly, as this will guide decision-making in the future. After completing the document, review it for accuracy. Once satisfied, proceed to the authorization step. You will find options for e-signing or printing the document. If you choose e-signing, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the digital signature process. For printed documents, ensure you have access to a reliable printer. Print the document on standard legal-sized paper if required. After printing, sign the document as indicated. Consider having witnesses sign if your state requires it. Some documents may necessitate notarization, so check the specific requirements for your location. If notarization is needed, locate a notary public to authenticate your signatures. Store your completed documents in a safe and accessible location. You may also wish to share copies with your beneficiaries and trusted advisors. Regularly review and update your estate planning documents as necessary. This ensures they reflect your current wishes and circumstances. With these steps, you will have successfully authorized your estate planning documents using Trust and Will. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.